Subscribe to the channel, subscribe now.
Anything possible.
You already know.
You already know.
T&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
If I had a mansion or a box, if I had a little or a lot, like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch.
They gon' watch me. 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 They gon' Here is my food. I'm about to tear it up. My food came out. Domed it out. Good job. It smells good. Sour cream. Okay. Shake good.
That's good.
Let's try some more salad. Clear my palate. Okay. Salmon. I put my hand in it, so it won't fall because I'm whining. Some butter sauce. Good now.
Good.
Salmon good.
You got A1? No, you got it.
There go down, yo.
What's up? You got A1?
No, it's okay.
Alright.
Alright, so y'all. Here, jalapeno pepper. Whoa, you see that drum? Watch it fucking let it bend. This is all went in my mouth at once.
Might try the beef fry. Something.
Now I'm about to try bear bread.
Beer brat. Try without no bread, no ketchup, nothing. It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Do it taste better than the regular?
Yeah. I think I don't know because it's been a little minute since I had the regular. But what I would do is I would jazz that joint up though with ketchup and all that. But it's good though. Salmon definitely good.
I ain't gonna hold you that jalapeno pepper was popping.
Yeah, I know. It was mine. The reason why mine was called mine, because I said because it was cool at the time. When the cream cheese get cool, it'd be alright, but it'd be like
Lime.
right.
Real thick one. Too.
Corn good. Corn, yo, all this stuff good, yo.
Corn tastes like popcorn. It
Got the
got a
butter.
smoky, it got a smoky, buttery taste because of the grill and everything.
I know what y'all want to do. Y'all want to see us. Because the salad is like a good palate cleanser. For me.
It's good, man, huh? What you say?
The salad like a good palate cleanser for me.
Yeah, it's a good balance for everything. Everything's like a good balance. That's what I'm saying.
I know y'all want to see me eat that, so. Here we go, food. Crab leg. I don't know why I want to call this crab leg so bad. This is like my second time calling it that. But I'm already correcting you the first time.
Cause I think that's what you always eat. We don't eat lobster like that. First time cooking lobster on the grill.
It's not tough.
That's good.
But the smaller ones usually don't be that tough.
I feel as though I should have. Well, you know, we ain't have everything here anyway, but it's alright. I'm gonna try it first off before I tell you what it is.
Seafood seasoning. Come in. Yeah. That's pretty much it.
I'm sorry, for some reason I ain't put no salt or no pepper on it before I put it on the gun. I know that's wrong.
I was gonna season it, but then I was like, I don't know, but he had plans, so I left it.
I put garlic and butter on it.
Oh, okay.
But I forgot, like, I'm like,
Go on. Just like that.
I missed something. It's like the seasoning sits on top of the corn. And it's on.
Yeah, it's gonna soak in.
Wow.
It's grilled corn. That's what I was gonna do. I was just gonna soak it in the butter. But
You taste everything.
it's still early.
Right. It rained. Stop raining. I can't trust my goddamn GPS. Maybe they'll make it. Not GPS, my weather channel. My weather.
I got some more salad. Salad that I said that was tired. I got no more of it. Does it look sad?
It's all good when you put it together.
What?
I gotta get some bread for that black word. I can't eat that junk regular. Alright, I want to fold. I'm not gonna do fold. Alright.
Or just save you. Just save it.
I'm gonna just put some ketchup on it. See if that'll work. Especially since we got this whole bottle of ketchup that we're planning to leave at the Airbnb. Because once I do this, it's no longer usable. Can you carry it? Oh yeah, you probably can't bring no ketchup on board. Like, fuck, you got a whole silk
It's
ketchup.
not the size. It's not the right size.
I know. Why you got silk ketchup? Because I like ketchup on everything, bro. I drink ketchup. Can't tell a person why they got all that ketchup.
Why y'all don't give out ketchup?
I'm
Excuse
not buying
me.
something from y'all store.
That was not. My bad, y'all.
Right. They grown.
That's what happened when it's your birthday.
Make some noise.
I'm full. Don wasn't really hungry. He just ate with me. That's so nice, isn't it? You wasn't really hungry. You just ate with me.
I could eat something, but yeah, I wasn't real like.
I wasn't either, but I just didn't know how long it was gonna rain and was going something wrong with you.
The craziest part about it, the moment we got changed, the rain stopped. It's the,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to drop it. I could have eaten that down now. Oh.
I'm sorry, that sound was good.
I only got one piece of salmon
Right.
to share.
For some reason, I felt like it was going to be good, but I was like, just in case it wasn't. But yeah, that shit was good.
I don't eat salmon all the time.
Yeah, but I think that's the best way I like salmon.
On the grill. Everybody just George Foreman.
It got a smoky taste to it a little bit. It's solid. It's good. You feel me?
Yeah, don't fall apart.
Right.
As easy as it go.
Yeah, I didn't want to eat, but since I'm here, I was with it.
Yo, cause I want to drink one.
Yeah,
And I don't want to be sick. Cause we ain't really eat like that. We ain't even done that. We need to get some sleep. That's what we need to get. I ain't gonna hold you. Like a good 4 hours. At least 4. What you think?
Yeah, but I don't want to sleep on your birthday on.
I don't know. Maybe yo.
Well, I like at this point, I don't want to. I'm not trying to vamp it for your birthday. You know what I'm saying? Be up all night, but I mean, oh, this on fire with ketchup.
The
Good.
brat.
Ketchup gives it a sweet taste. It balances out that got like a little taste, like not like an aftertaste, like it's just like you can get like a salty taste, like a salty, like kind of like a Italian sausage a little bit, slightly, but with the ketchup balance, it brings it all out. And keep it cool.
Ooh.
24.
Yeah, I'm almost done. So before I go to bed tonight, I'm making sure all that food gonna be
I feel
in
like
condensed
the
into a
lobster tail
pan.
gonna be the most tiredest thing, so that's why I'm trying to wait.
It is tired. I mean, it's good, but it ain't all that. Right, that was better. That's the last thing on the list. And it's the lobster tail, like the kind of tail. They
the
don't want.
quality of shit is kind of iffy too. Like Giant, y'all not Giants. Giants got some shit.
Yeah, people trying to act like well, because they don't have Giants.
Right, you feel what I'm saying? Like I feel like
We trying to pipe Publix up.
It is.
Publix
It is.
is not all that.
You can compare it, but it's still you can't compare it. Like what the fuck, y'all shit like, boy. Where y'all dried aged beef?
I said, do y'all have the little butters that's already made out?
Nope.
Said butters? No.
Yeah.
Like, what do you mean?
We only doing that. He said that sounds like a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all not even on the idea.
Okay.
I mean,
Because it could have been something he could have got from the back. Okay, so that's telling me that y'all really getting this stuff prepackaged. Y'all ain't like doing this. Right? Yeah, I'm so full. What's in here? I ain't eating nothing until this food warm. Gloomy.
who?
Alright, y'all, so that concludes the mukbang. I'm done. That's my plate. I'm done. And looking cornbeard. Cornbeard.
Mr. Cornbeard to you.
Cornbeard. So, yo, with that being said,
Right.
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
T&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
If I had a mansion or a box.